Absama menase se ogu so hwa Adom TV amraso agudie monsem jebre na membono petim wadere yemonremo ewo Total Energies under 20 tournament abosom ye womi ebetodwa ewo Egypt memo eno ena assistant coach Edema Ghana coach Salifu Fatao woni edin komo echechensemu efa ekwan a omo hwe nim se omehihye emrantie no na omatimi akote omangana nim.
Within this week, my plan is basically Hanum. Tournament may start 27th. Hanum at least we'll play this week. My plan is on 1 or 2 friendly matches and Sana competition and Kasa. I think this is the plan they say traveling for us for now. Most of them almost start here from all African games till now. The only challenge is regrouping the boys and preparing them. But I'm going to say, if I they are team Aqua Morocco, Aqua Bimu, actual more. So I think the challenge is not too much.
Yemfro Fene and Chemo Kumase Asante Kotoko, Nyamia Dumomo Shedim Salmone, Accra Lions, Edbe Pimso Echina, our Accra Sports Stadium, Empire Bija, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, head coach, Edema Kumase Asante Kotoko Kuno. Na wachirese the team no aye crowd passe emfa ho ne eja Accra for national wo hwe nim sem kunim de bekode amano.
Yeah, very prepared. After our last game that we played, we've tried to have a recovery session. Unfortunately, we have to be on the road the following day, so there's still an element of stress in terms of fatigue within the players. But then we have to be ready for the game on Wednesday and play. So we are ready in terms of what we have to offer on the field. Tactically, we are ready. If you look at Accra Lions, they are a very good side. As at now, they are not in a good standing on the league log, so they look more motivated to play and win, to be able to get themselves out of where they are now. We are also very determined to play.
Ebacho ebedi achire na emunkomo bia no yede honsem so abrocha no say UEFA Champions League nda numre matches na ekoso eno so honkomo na chanopa ede dia kanyina so ebebro within the Kobe Stone Okumankra Bakwa Maka ensuroja edura enyo no number 1